Yes. Can any one of you can you differentiate these two figures or what these figures are going to say and what is the relation in mathematics these two pictures show? Just guess it. தெரிஞ்சும் சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, in first picture it was jumping in sequence wise, sir. 1 plus
Okay, okay.
2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, likewise, sir.
Okay, very good. Your guess is correct. Yes. That,
But in
that
second picture it is not so. It is jumping one by one. One first jump ஆகுது, sir. So slow
very
இருக்கும், sir.
okay, very good. அதேதான். இப்போ இந்த first figure it shows that the second, third jump using the first two jumps and the fourth jump using the second and third jump and the fifth jump using third and the fourth. In the same way, any sequence using to represent its previous one or more steps, that is called a recurrent relation. Fifth step வந்து using fourth and third step use பண்ணி jump and so on. The Fibonacci series சொல்லலாம் அப்படி சொல்றேன். அதான் definition. A recurrence relation for the sequence. You have to pronounce this A in floor bracket two side double side you can pronounce as sequence. Sequence AN is an equation that shows AN in terms of one or more of the previous terms of the sequence A0, A1 and dot 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 AN minus 1. It starts with A0, so ending with AN minus 1. For a sequence வந்து என்னோட previous two terms யூஸ் பண்ணி at least one term யூஸ் பண்ணி represent பண்ணா that's called recurrent relation or difference equation for all integers n with n greater or equal to n0 where n0 is the non-negative integer. This is the definition for recurrent relation. Can you understand? For example, Fibonacci series. You are knowing that this Fibonacci series. So Fn can write as Fn minus 1 and plus Fn minus 2. This Fn using its previous two steps to jump, it can be represented for n greater or equal to 0 with the initial condition f0 equal to 1 and the f1 equal to 1. This is called a recurrence relation. Write the problem. Let an equal to can represent 2 power n plus 5 into 3 power n for n equal to 0 1 to find a0, a1 and a2. You know, substitute n equal to 0 and n equal to 1 and n equal to 2. This is a0. A0 equal to 2 power 0 plus 5 into 3 power 0. 3 power 0 is 1, 5 into 1, 5, 2 power 0 is 1, 1 plus 5 equal to 6. And n equal to 1. A1 equal to 2 plus 2 power 1 into 5 into 3 power 1. So 5 into 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. And A2 equal to, this n equal to 2 here. 2 power 2 plus 5 into 3 power 2. Is 4 plus 45 is 49. This is for finding A0, A1, A2. And show that this A4 equal to 5 A3 minus 6 A2. And A4, the place of A4, the same relation. So this is the relation. A4 equal to 5A3 minus 6A2. Sorry, 2 power 4, 5 into. This is the new relation. Like an equal to 2 power n plus 5 to 3 power n, the same way is given as a power 4 equal to 5A3 minus 6A2. So n equal to 4. So A4 is 2 power 4 plus 5 into 3 power 4. That is 16 plus 5 into this one, 421. Using this relation you can represent 5A3 minus 6A2. 5 into, this is A3 value here, minus 6 into A2 is found already. And simplify, this is 8, this 5 into 327, this entire part, this value minus 294, this is 421. So separately you are writing A for 4, it is 421. Using this relation also you can get the same answer. Therefore 1 and 2 we are verifying this A4 can be written as using A cube and A2. This A for 4, this is a recurrent relation. The A4 using A2 and A3 we are representing. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Oh, thank you. Next. Using this, take some part A problem, take it the homework, and find the first 5 terms of the sequence, and if the recurrence relation given by the initial condition A n equal to 6 an 5. Just confine the first 5 terms A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 using the given condition. First and second, you practice at home. One more problem also, take it as homework. An equal to an minus 1 plus 5 of an minus 2 plus 2n minus 9. Using this relation, you can check it separately, do it right hand side and left hand side and verify it. Next, solving linear recurrence relation. First define the recurrence. A linear recurrence relation with a constant coefficient is of the form C0 A0 plus C1 an minus 1 plus C2 an minus 2 plus dot 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 Ck an minus a. This is just take it as f of n, where all Ci's are constant. The other way, a linear recurrence relation with a constant coefficient or degree k is of the form can rewrite as an equal to C1 an minus 1 plus C2 an minus 2 plus dot 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 Ck an minus k, where k's are real numbers and Ck is non-zero. Now, these recurrence relations solved by the 3 methods. One is iteration method. Iteration method means substitute n equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. That way you can represent and solve it. Characteristic roots. Characteristic roots. Next, characteristic roots method means we have to make the characteristic roots, characteristic equation and solve the characteristic equation, and based on the roots obtained, you will get the solution. The roots are 3 types. One is equal root and another one is distinct root and third one is complex roots. And generating function means we have to project into an infinite binomial series. Using that we can express. These are the 3 methods we are solving to a recurrence relation. First one, iterative method. Solve the recurrence relation an equal to an minus 1 plus n minus 1, and given that n greater or equal to 2 and a1 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Given recurrence relation given an equal to an minus 1 plus n minus 1. And extend this. Next step, an minus 2 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 1. You can reduce here. N minus 3 plus n minus 3 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 1 and so on here. In this equation, substitute n equal to 4, or next equation, substitute n equal to 5, you get this equation form, that is a1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on, the ending with n minus 2 plus n minus 1. It is not end with n because it starts with a1. Therefore, we have to stop at n minus 1. Therefore, a1 is given, it is 0. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 n minus 1, and it is a formula of sum of first n natural number n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, provided n greater or equal to 1 and given that a1 equal to 0. First term is 0. This way only you can solve the iterative method. Substitute n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on will make the solution. Next step. Solve the recurrence relation an minus an minus 1 equal to 2, given that n greater or equal to 2 and A1 equal to 2 by iterative method. This is a given relation. An minus An minus 1 equal to 2. Next step. Previous step of this one. An minus 1 and previous of this one An minus 2. And reduce here. N minus 1 is reduced to N minus 2 and An minus 2 reduced to An minus 3 equal to 2 and so on here. And finally, is An minus 1, An minus 1 cancel, is An minus 2, An minus 2 cancel. Here one N minus 3 is coming, An minus 3, and this An minus 3 is cancelled. So every term cancel with, therefore, first this A2 minus A1, final step this one. And first step and last step only left. Therefore, An minus A1 equal to is 2 plus 2 plus 2 and so on, n minus 1 times, not n times, n minus 1 times. So, you can substitute the given value An minus A1 equal to 2 equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus dot 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 n minus 1 times. Therefore, multiply, take it out, is it what? Oh, this 2n minus 2 plus 2. Therefore, minus 2 and plus 2 cancel. An value equal to 2n, comma, n greater than or equal to 1. This is explicit form of the, we prove this by induction only, you can prove it, we form the n term. Therefore, n equal to 2n provided n greater than or equal to 1. Characteristic roots method. Second method, solving the linear homogeneous recurrence relation with a constant coefficient. You can write An equal to C1 An minus 1 plus C2 An minus 2 plus dot 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 Ck An minus k. Is A is replaced by R. So R power n equal to C1 R power n minus 1 plus C2 R power n minus 2 plus dot 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 Ck R power n minus k, put it as equation 1, where An equal to R power is the solution. Therefore, from 1 divided by R power n minus k. So this will become R power k equal to C1 R power k minus 1 plus C2 R power k minus 2 plus dot 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 Ck can be written as R power k minus C1 R power k minus 1 minus C2 R power k minus 2 minus dot 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 Ck equal to 0. This equation is called the characteristic equation of the equation 1. The equation 1 order characteristic equation is this one. Next, we have to see how to solve this characteristic root or characteristic equation. First, let C1 and C2 be the real numbers, it is C2 non-zero. Suppose that if this is the equation R square minus C1R minus C2 equal to 0 has two distinct roots. When you are solving this equation, you will get the two roots because this is a quadratic equation. We don't know what is type of roots we are obtaining. So we will get the two roots. The two roots R1 and R2. Then the sequence An is the solution of the recurrence relation. This is the recurrence relation. This one. An equal to C1 An minus 1 plus C2 An minus 2. This A is replaced by R. Therefore, An equal to alpha 1 R1 power n plus alpha 2 R2 power n for n equal to 0, 1, 2, so on, where alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the constant. These are the distinct roots. Like the ordinary difference equation you are studying now, when you are solving the ordinary difference equation, the auxiliary equation, when you are solving the auxiliary equation, if the roots are distinct, you are writing A into e power m1x plus b into e power m2x. The same way here, first constant alpha 1 into first root power n plus alpha 2 into second root power n. This is for distinct root. The same way, this equation has the repeated root. Let C1 and C2 be the real numbers. It is C2 non-zero. Suppose that R square minus C1R minus C2 equals to 0 has only one root of repeated or not repeated roots. Therefore, a sequence An is a solution of the recurrence relation An equal to A plus Bx form you are studying in ordinary differential equation. The same way alpha 1 plus n times alpha 2 into r naught power n. Because r naught is the only root, it is repeated. So a plus bx form. Therefore, alpha 1 plus n into alpha 2 of r naught power n for n equal to 0, 1, 2. Alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the constant. So two types of roots we are seeing. One is distinct root. For distinct roots, this is the solution. This is for equal roots. And that one is complex. If the roots are complex, that is a plus or minus I beta, then a n equal to r power n into alpha 1 cos n theta plus alpha 2 sin n theta, where r equal to square root of a square plus b square and theta equal to tan inverse of b dx. These are the procedure for solving the characteristic roots. So after seeing the characteristic root, depending on the characteristic root, the solution is these three types. One is distinct root, and another one is equal roots, and third one is complex roots. Just you can remember it, what you are studying here, ordinary difference equation. In the earlier semester, you are studying the ordinary difference equation, the same concept, slight little bit changes it represents here. Any doubts here? The procedure for finding the solution using the characteristic roots method. Yes, anybody having doubt for the procedure? Okay, now the first problem. What is the solution of the recurrence relation? They are given the one relation a n equal to a n minus 1 plus twice of a n minus 2 with initial condition a naught equal to 2 and a1 equal to 7. Solution, this is the given recurrence relation. This part bring it to left hand side. So an minus a n minus 1 minus 2 a n minus 2 equal to 0 with a naught equal to 2 and a1 equal to 7. Where a n is replaced by r power n. R power n is the solution of the given equation. Therefore, the characteristic equation is r power n minus r power n minus 1 minus 2 r power n minus 2. This r power n minus 2, take it outside and make it to 0 or divided by r power n minus 2. This constant of last term. Therefore, it will become r square minus r minus twice equal to 0. Now you can solve it. R square minus r minus 2. The product is minus 2. Addition is minus 1. The two roots are 1 and minus 2. Therefore, r plus 1 and r minus 2 equal to 0. R equal to minus 1 and 2. Therefore, the roots are real and distinct. Therefore, its solution is a n equal to alpha 1 into r1 power n plus alpha 2 r2 power n. Here, r1 equal to minus 1 and r2 equal to 2. We found these are the two roots. Some substitute this r1 value and the r2 value. Therefore, a n equal to minus 1 whole power n to alpha 1 plus 2 power n alpha 2. Our aim is to find the alpha 1 and the alpha 2 using the initial condition. The initial condition is given a naught equal to 2 and a1 equal to 7. In this solution, substitute n equal to 0. So minus 1 whole power 0. Anything power 0 is 1 into alpha 1 plus 2 power 0 into alpha 2. Therefore, we will get alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal to 2. Because a naught equal to 2. Let's say may substitute the next value. This a n equal to 1. a1 equal to minus 1 whole power 1 into alpha 1 plus 2 power n equal to 1. So alpha 2 will become, after substituting these initial value a1, so minus alpha 1 plus 2 alpha 2 equal to 7. Now we are having equation in terms of alpha 1 and alpha 2. Alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal to 2 and minus alpha 1 plus 2 alpha 2 equal to 7. Straight away you can add it 1 and 2. Minus alpha 1 plus alpha 1 cancel by each other. Alpha 2 plus 2 alpha 2 will become 3 alpha 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. So 3 alpha 2 equal to 9. Therefore, alpha 2 equal to 3. and substitute this alpha 2, we get alpha 1. For alpha 1 equal to minus 1. Therefore, the general solution of the given recurrence relation an equal to minus of minus 1 whole power n plus thrice of 2 power n. If possible, anything is common, you can take it outside. Here, no, nothing is common. You can keep it as it is. 3 into 2 power n minus minus 1 whole power n. This is the solution of the given recurrence relation. If anybody having doubt, you can tell me. Take 2 minutes time. I'll show it from beginning. If any doubt is there, you tell me. Doubt not there also, you can tell me. You move to the next slide. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt, ma? Yes, Sujita. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. 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 So we'll make the equation in terms of R and solve that equation. After solving that, let us substitute. We'll get the equation again in terms of alpha 1 again. And by applying the initial condition, we'll get the equation in terms of alpha 1 and alpha 2. And solve by elimination method or substitution method or using calculator. Any one method, you can solve it and substitute. That is the final answer. Shall I move to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Next problem. What is the solution of the recurrence relation an equal to 8 an minus 1 minus 16 an minus 2? The initial condition a2 equal to 16 and a3 equal to 80. This is the given question. The initial solution also given. This is the relation. The given recurrence relation can be written as this part bring to the left hand side an minus 8 an minus 1 plus 16 an minus 2 equal to 0. And first step replace a suffix n equal to r power n. This equation 1 r power n minus 8 r power n minus 1 plus 16 r power n minus 2. The constant term coefficient take it outside. So divided by r power n minus 2, it will become r square minus 8r plus 16 equal to 0. And solve it. Product is 16. Sum is minus 8. So r minus 4 equal to 0. R equal to 4 twice. Okay. The roots are real and equal. Therefore, the solution of equation 1 an equal to alpha 1 plus n time alpha 2 into r power n, where alpha 1, alpha 2 are the constant. Now, we'll make the solution to find the alpha 1 and alpha 2. To find alpha 1 and alpha 2 using the given initial condition. The given initial condition is A2. The previous problem it is given A0 and A1. Here it is given initial condition A2 and A3. A2 equal to 16 and A3 equal to 8. Therefore, in the solution n equal to alpha 1 plus n alpha 2 of 4 power n. Yes, substitute this n equal to what value you are going to substitute here? N equal to n value போடலாம் using this given condition. Yes.
2.
Yes. A2 equal to 16. Very good. This A2 we are substituting 16. Here alpha 1 plus n equal to 2. Alpha 1 plus 2 alpha 2 equal to 1. into this 4 square. This is 16 and 16 cancel here. And simplify only alpha 1 plus 2 alpha 2 equal to 1. The same way n equal to 3 here. So alpha 1 plus thrice of alpha 2 equal to 4 power 3 equal to 80, and solve it. Alpha 1 plus 3 alpha 2 equal to 80 by 64. If anything is possible, can cancel here. Fourth table cancel. Wherever table cancel, you can solve it. Otherwise, keep as it is and solve it. 2 and 3, solve it. Now, solving 2 and 3, manually solve பண்ணுங்க. Elimination method or substitution method. Elimination method is comfortable only. So we get alpha 2 equal to 1 by 4 and substitute this alpha 2 in any one of the equation in 2 and 3. Alpha 1 will get 1 by 2. Therefore, the general solution of equation 1 is here alpha 1 equal to half plus n times alpha 2 equal to 1 by 4 into is 4 power n. So half plus n by 4 into 4 power n. Any doubt in this step? Can ask me, can clarify with me. Yes, 2 minutes time. Yes, students, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next problem. Here, find the solution to an equal to 2an minus 1. So 5an minus 2 minus 6an. Here, 3 relations given. This using this an, 3 relations is given minus 3 with a0 7, a1 equal to minus 4 and a2 equal to 8. Therefore, the given recurrence relation, all this right hand side bring it to left hand side. An minus 2, an minus 1 minus 5, an minus 2 plus 6, an minus 3 equal to, this is an minus 3, right? 6 an minus 3 equal to 0. And first step is replace an by r power n with the solution of equation 1. The characteristic equation of 1 will become r power n minus 2 into r power n minus 1 minus 5 into r power n minus 2 plus 6 into r power n minus 3 equal to 0. This last term r power n minus 3, take a division. R power divided by r power n minus 3, it will become r cube minus 2r square minus 5r plus 6 equal to 0. This is the cubic equation. It contains 3 roots. By synthetic division method, you can solve it. Here I am using the synthetic division here. Synthetic division, this coefficient of r cube is 1, coefficient of r square is minus 2, and coefficient of r is minus 5, and constant term is 6. Check whether 1 is a root or not. Put 1 here. Always putting 0 here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 5, minus 1, minus 6. Minus 6 into 1, minus 6. So 6 minus 6. Therefore, remainder is 0. We can take 1 is the root of the given equation. The quotient is r square minus r minus 6 equal to 0. R square minus r minus 6 equal to 0. Again, you can solve it by the formula or any one method. Therefore, we'll get the roots of this equation 1, minus 2 and 3. This is the 3 roots. All the roots are real and distinct. The solution of this an equal to alpha 1 into 1 first root power n plus alpha 2 into second root power n plus alpha 3 into third root power n, where alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 are the constant. Next, our aim is to make the alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 value by substituting the initial condition. Initial condition a0 equal to 7 and a1 equal to minus 4 and a2 equal to 8. It means in this equation, we'll substitute n equal to 0 and n equal to 1 and n equal to 2. After that, we'll get the equation in terms of alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Either calculator or manually you can do it. You are studying in schooling la படிச்சிருப்பீங்க 3 variables solve பண்றது எப்படின்ட்டு applying the same procedure here. Now alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 are the with the help of the given initial condition. A naught equal to 7, A1 equal to minus 4, A2 equal to 8, and alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3. You can check it, this equation. Any one of you tell me this an equal to alpha 1, 1 power n, alpha 2 minus whole 2 whole power n, alpha 3 whole power n equal to 0 here. What is the equation you are obtaining? Substitute n equal to 0 and tell me. Yes, just imagine. This is only simple arithmetic only. n க்கு பதிலா 0 போட்டு இது என்ன ஈக்குவேஷன் மாறும்னு சொல்லுங்க. Substitute. Hello.
plus
கேக்குதாப்பா பேசுறது? சொல்லுங்க
yes,
கரெக்ட்
sir.
தான்.
Alpha
சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha
Equal to 7. This is for first initial condition. Second, n equal to 1. Substitute பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. n equal to 1. This a1 equal to left hand side minus 4 and right hand side. Just n க்கு பதிலா minus போடுங்க. n க்கு பதிலா 1. Alpha 1. This is n equal to 1. So minus 2. Alpha 1 minus 2. சொல்லுங்க. Here is n equal to 1. So 3 power 1. So 3 alpha 3. Just arithmetic one. Next is n equal to 2 சொல்லுங்க. n equal to 2. Yes.
alpha 1 plus 4 alpha 2 plus 9 alpha 3.
அவ்வளவுதான். Alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 equal to 7. Alpha 1 minus 2 alpha 2 plus 3 alpha 3 equal to minus 4. Alpha 1 plus 4 alpha 2 plus 9 alpha 3 equal to 8. This is considered equation 2, 3, 4. Solve it this equation. The solution solving the procedure we are not given here because it is easy only. You can solve yourself by manually or calculator. You can solve it. Any one method. I'm telling a short procedure. First, among these three equations, if possible, eliminate any one term, that is alpha 1. Using second and third, eliminate alpha 1. Same way, third and fourth, eliminate alpha 1. Next, we'll get the equation in terms of alpha 2 and alpha 3 only. In that alpha 2 and alpha 3, we are having two equations. Eliminate either alpha 2 or alpha 3. We'll get alpha 3 value or alpha 2 value. And substitute that alpha 2 or alpha 3 value, you get two values. And substitute in this alpha 2, alpha 3, you get alpha 1. This is a short procedure. It's up to you because you are familiar with the solving the equation. நீங்க எப்படின்னா சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. using calculator also you can solve it. Calculatorல equation solution mode இருக்கு, equation solve பண்றதுக்கான mode இருக்கு. Using that mode also you can solve it. Any one method you can solve it. You get alpha 1 equal to 5 and alpha 2 equal to 3, alpha 3 equal to minus 1, and substitute these values here. 5 into 1 power n plus 3 into minus 2 whole power n, 3 into. This is a solution. Any doubt here? I'll show it from beginning. Doubt in the calendar. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll move to the next. Solve the recurrent relation an plus 2 plus an equal to 0, comma, n greater or equal to 0. The initial condition is a naught equal to 0 and a1 equal to 3. The given recurrent relation an plus 2 plus an equal to 0. Here question is to n here, n brings it, or keep it as it is. So an equal to replace by r for n. Therefore, r for n plus 2 plus r for n equal to 0. Division by r power n. So r square plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, r square equals to minus 1. R equal to plus or minus 8 is the roots of the complex form. Therefore, the roots of the complex number, the solution is from an into r power n alpha 1 cos n theta plus alpha 2 sin n theta is known result of r. R equal to a square plus b square and theta equal to tan inverse of b by a. A is the real part here 0, b is the imaginary part is 1. The solution itself they are given a and b and substitute this a and b writing now. Alpha equal to a plus or minus I beta. A plus or minus ib. A equal to 0 and b equal to 1 square. And r equal to square root of a square plus b square and theta equal to tan inverse of b by a. Real part a value b value form and substitute here and a n equal to 1 power n alpha 1 into cos n pi by 2 plus alpha 2 sin n pi by 2. Beginning, if any doubt arise, you can ask. So we have seen all the three types: roots, equal roots, unequal roots or distinct roots, and the complex roots. All the types we have seen. This is a method called characteristic roots method. Characteristic roots method. The an is replaced by r power n. So a is replaced by in terms of r and solve the equation. And based on the roots we found, you can write the solution. From that solution, we are finding the constant values of alpha 1, alpha 2, and alpha 2. Second thing. This is standard formula for r and theta. This a and b is identified from the roots we are obtaining, a plus or minus I beta form. So a equal to in this problem 1 and b equal to a equal to 0 and b equal to 1 and substitute here a and b value, and this is the general solution. Okay, next. Take this problem as homework problem. What is the solution of the recurrence relation an equal to 6 an minus 1 minus 9 a minus 2, given that n greater than or equal to 2 with the two initial conditions given a not equal to 2 and a1 equal to 3. Its solution is a into 2 minus n into 3 power n, n greater than or equal to 0. The second one, an plus 6 an minus 1 plus 2 an minus 2 plus 8 an minus 3 equal to 0, and subject to the condition or initial condition, all are same only. A not equal to 1 and a1 equal to 2 and a2 equal to 4. Using this, you can deduce here. Directly or indirectly, you can identify the three given condition is 1, 2, 3, and this is also long equation. So it make it cubic equation. So this is the form. இது என்ன ரூட்ஸ்னு உங்களால கெஸ் பண்ண முடியுதா? எனி ஒன் ஆஃப் தி ப்ளீஸ் கெஸ் இட். Okay, you can solve it. Any difficulty size, you tell me. that's all the class. And the other part we'll see by tomorrow. Next class. I'll stop recording to ask your doubt.